Zhejiang Dongpu Electronic and Science Technology Company, Limited, was established in 2006. Our company covers a building area of over 8,000 square meters. It has more than 200 employees, including 10 technical engineers. Our main products are network keystone jack, faceplate, patch panel and related items. They are widely used in integrated wiring, network communication, intelligent building electrical and automation equipment. The RJ45 network keystone jack could reach CAT6A and CAT8 network transmission performance request. We have the ability to design and develop new products. Till now we has more than 40 patents. Our knowledgeable sales, technical supporters, and engineering staff are dedicated to understanding our customers' requirements and designing products and solutions that meet their needs. In addition, OEM services are well provided for our clients. We help you stay competitive by constant innovation services. Our company passed ISO9001 and ISO14001 certifications. Our products through UL, CE, ATIC, our registered trademark, CHNOK, has been praised by customers at home and abroad. The market occupancy of our products is going up day by day. Dongpu will keep on pursuing innovation and high quality to set up our famous brand. We are looking forward to cooperating with you and achieving mutual profit.